Hey, you ever wonder how you have to be a contortionist to make the bed in a boat? And this is a fairly big mattress. It's about the size of a king, but you have to have no pride at all when you're making a boat bed. So I'm going to show you how we did it. We put what's this thing called? Mattress topper on. Of course, you always forget which way it goes on at the beginning of the season, so you ended up doing twice the work.
These beds are actually bunk beds, and then we had to put a slat, which we didn't record.
That at a later date. You can do two separate bunks or make one ginormous king bed, but you have to be a contortionist. So you had to see my old man butt as I try to get this corner here. Like I said, don't know if it's the right corner. You'd think we would see it's on inside out already. So you have to have good core muscles to do this, which of course I don't because I hurt my back.
I thought I handed it to you correctly.
No. All right, there's one corner down.
The mattress is velcroed on with some velcro straps that hook to the wood part, but once you put the bedding on, it negates the velcro straps and they slide all over the place.
There's no perfect way to make a boat.
I mean, this is an actual boat. I mean, not a boat, a real bedding set. You can get boat sheets and comforters made, but those are so darn pricey that we didn't do that.
So we got the king set.
It's a little big on the side, so I just tuck it all in the corner, and once my son gets inside, he rolls around and makes a mess of it anyway. And it looks like I never made it.
Anyway, voila.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. This is what it looks like. Oops, after. This is our kiddos' room and guest room when people come. Fairly good size. We have a TV, a lot of space on the shelf, closet,